So this is one of two models I've got quotes for. Now, I know the hole arrangement and the size of them is not going to be for everybody, but this table's for my own personal use and it will do me just fine. Now, I got a quote for each of these tables anticipating that this one would be quite expensive and be a considerable price hike. And it's been quite surprising. So I'll just dig those two quotes up. So this is the quote for the first table. You can see all my parts down the side here. So it's an online quoting system called IP Laser. So the company I'm going with, as I said, they're local. You just upload all your drawings like I've done here. So all in, materials, VAT and laser cutting comes to 280 quid, which I don't think's too bad at all. So bear in mind that's all 6 mils. So we're on the second quote. You can see the list of all the parts. The only difference is they've got the holes in. So there's all the tool paths and whatnot for the laser cutting. Now, the reason I did two models is I anticipated a considerable price hike for all this extra cutting and figured I might have to use a mag drill on that blank table to put all the holes in, and which I didn't fancy at all. So imagine my surprise when I see the quote only comes to £306. So for all that extra cutting, it's an extra £26. So there's absolutely zero chance I'm pulling the mag drill out to save 26 quid. But personally, I don't think that's bad at all for all that cutting. So it's a bank holiday today, so I'm hoping to push through with this week, and that's where we are. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon.